Good Tuesday afternoon, it's Apple Stump Bushcraft Stuff and Things, back with another brief episode. Today we're going to replace a part on this Ruger LCP 380 pistol that in our experience has been prone to failure. Here we have an exploded diagram of the Ruger LCP pistol, and I've identified three parts that have in my experience failed during firing and cause the pistol to become inoperable. And so part number 15 on this diagram is a trigger pivot. Part number 20 here is what I call the takedown pin detent spring. And part number 30 is the takedown pin itself. Today we're going to be replacing the takedown pin. So we found a company online called MC Carbo that makes a replacement takedown pin for the Ruger LCP that has features built into it that help prevent the shearing off of the head of that pin. So we sent away for one of those, and here it arrived today. Let's see, there's their mailing address. So there's the replacement takedown pin. So how do we insert those? Alright, first of all, we have an empty pistol, empty magazine, empty chamber. So we need to take the takedown pin out in order to replace it with the new one. And the way we do that is to retract the slide just a little bit. Pop that pin up and take it out. So we don't need to disassemble the pistol at this point. Anyway, there's the original takedown pin, and you notice that there's a groove right there. That's where that detent spring fits into. And the head of this pin is very small, shall we say. Not very generous in terms of material. So let's remove the replacement takedown pin from its packaging. And here we can show the new one. The head of that pin is a little bit more substantial. It has a slot for a slotted screwdriver tip. And it also has another slot milled in here which engages the detent spring. So hopefully those things in combination will make it easier to deal with. So what we're supposed to do is insert this pin with the detent spring slot up. Like so, and then use the screwdriver to rotate that until it engages the takedown spring, detent spring, at which point it won't come out. If we try to remove it like we did the original, first of all it won't, because see, there we go, not able to pop that out. So another thing you have to watch for is sometimes when you're shooting these pistols, this pin right here, which is plastic, and this pin, which is plastic, tend to creep out a little bit, and they'll usually move in the direction of the other side of the pistol. Sometimes they'll creep out and they'll be sticking up over here and over here, and just tap them back in with a little punch or plastic mallet, and that's all the maintenance that's needed there. Alright, well that's it. Kind of a short and disjointed video by Apple Stump Bushcraft Stuff and Things. And we'll see you again real soon. Adios.